Introducing our 15 pounds turkey. Let's start stuffing. These are all the ingredients we need to dress and stuff our turkey. Onion, bundle of lemongrass, garlic, ground pepper, cilantro, red bell pepper, salt, green onions, butter, and bay leaves. Here are all our ingredients again. And my butter, I add olive oil in it and we'll start mashing it. Let's start dressing and stuff the turkey. Now that the turkey is dressed and stuffed, we can drizzle it with lemon juice and refrigerate it until we need it. You can also put it overnight in the refrigerator or a couple hours before you will cook the turkey. Turkey is in the oven. While waiting for the turkey, I made some gravy right here. I used cornstarch and complete seasoning with the juice from our turkey. Delicious. Our turkey is ready. Our turkey is ready. Let's transfer them in a big dish. Here you go. I hope you'll enjoy this turkey recipe today, and please subscribe, comment, and like. I'll see you next time.